Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Schiff, cardio mender MD. I'm glad you could join us today. You're in for a treat. We're going to be making one of my cauliflower crusted pizzas. If you'd like to make it from scratch, you can go to cardiomendermd.com under the recipe section, and it's laid out there for you. But if you want that quick fix solution, you could visit us or our pantry where you can find our pre-done pizza crusts. They come in jalapeno, traditional Italian, and sweet red pepper. They're fantastic. Today I've selected jalapeno, and I'm going to show you how we can make a pizza in about 10 minutes. Our pizzas come in these pre-done packets. You just cut open the side. I've taken the liberty of doing so, and put it on a pizza pan. It's a pizza screen actually, but you can just do it on a piece of tin foil or a traditional pan. And if you're going to have it as a pizza, you're going to cook it for 5 minutes at 375 and let it cool down while we do some of the other prep work. But if you want it as a focaccia, simply cook it at 375 to 400 for 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes you're going to have a treat. So today I'm going to make it with sweet red peppers, which I grew in my garden. I'm going to take a red onion, some garlic, and I'm going to save the herbs for later on. I've chosen some aged Parmesan cheese, which goes fantastically on the pizza. But if you like, alternatively, you can use fat-free mozzarella available in your supermarket. So what we need to do is basically start with a couple of cloves of garlic, chop them up, a few slices of sweet red pepper, and slice it up, and then sweet red onion. And I've picked some herbs and chopped them up from our garden. The next thing we're going to do is bring some of these, come over to our kitchen. We're going to pop our pizza crust into the toaster oven, which I will now set at 375, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes just to brown it. While we're doing that, we're going to saute our toppings. I've already put some Cardio Ultra Premium olive oil in the pan, which I've heated up. I'm going to put our toppings in there and saute them. We're going to saute them until they're golden. Oh my goodness, it smells already. While we're sauteing them, once the crust is cooked for about 5 minutes, we're going to let it cool for an additional 5 minutes, and we'll join you once our toppings are complete. As you can see, our toppings are complete, and I've already removed the pizza crust from the toaster oven and let it cool for 5 minutes. We're going to apply the toppings to the pizza, and now that it's cooled down, and just spread it across the top. And again, I just selected a couple of toppings that I prefer, okay? But you can do almost anything. You can take turkey sausages, you can take ham, you can take mushrooms, a variety of things, whatever your preference is, and put it right on top of the pizza, okay, at this point. Now I'm going to top it. I've chosen the Parmesan cheese, and we're going to apply the Parmesan cheese, and usually somewhere around 2 tablespoons. I shorted it a little bit here. So I really like Parmesan cheese, and this is fabulous stuff. I'm going to put it on top of that pizza, and I'm going to put it back in the toaster oven. Keep it at the same temperature for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. We're going to let it cook, and we'll show you what the finished product is. Now let's check on our pizza and see how it's doing. It's cooked about 6 minutes after we topped it off, and I think we're pretty good now. Let's check this out. That's looking fine. You might like it a little browner. But this looks fabulous. So we're going to leave it at that for now. I'm going to slide this pizza off the screen to a plate. Pizza's pretty hot. Now, if you like a little extra spice, which I do, I'm going to put some red peppers on the top and just top it with some fresh herbs, give it a little color, and add in some antioxidants, and here you have it. Doc's Pizza. Now that's a pizza pie.